7x10 bog up there. Waterfall going towards the porch. Waterfall coming this way. We're going to put some boulders into here. We are going to have to cut this line of the patio in order to get that up against there. All new liner and everything. We're going to do a negative edge coming out here that kind of falls towards this driveway. We are going to use all the boulders on site from this retaining wall that we're going to take down and rebuild.